I'm doing is just cutting my hair, save some money. You can cut your own hair. I'll let anybody know. Cut your own hair. Cut your own hair. Myself an even Steven. I had to learn to cut my own hair. I had to learn to cut my own hair, you know, during COVID. And I've been cutting my hair ever since. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, these barbers, there's some good barbers out there. I'm not trying to take away from anything that they doing, but if you ain't got the money to pay a barber, I say do it your own self. You gotta make sure you keep your clippers clean. I got this right here. Right here. It lubricates, sanitizes, cleans, disinfects, and it's a coolant. It's an Andes. So these right here, Andes clippers right here. Gotta make sure that your clipper, that's why you see so many guys with bumps in their head. Those barbers not sanitizing their clippers. Cause you just can't you have to sanitize clippers, man, whenever you finish with somebody's head. Cause if you don't, you can mess somebody's head up. That's why you see these guys with big old bumps on the back of their head. Because they're not going to a good barber and a clean barber. One thing I look at in the barbershop, look at the bathroom, see how clean that bathroom. Well, first of all, if it's a clean barbershop, they should have a clean bathroom. That's what I look at the most. I'm finna shape up now, but first I'm finna shape up down here.